How to remove Microsoft account from Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Microsoft account from Windows 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. But before we start anything, the important thing to note that is that you cannot remove the Microsoft account that you're currently signed in into. So first you must sign in with a different local or Microsoft account first. So here to do that simply press Windows plus I to open the settings. And now here once you are inside the settings simply look at the left hand sidebar and there you simply have to click on accounts. And now here, once you are inside the account, simply scroll down and simply click on your info. And now here in this section, as you can see, I have already changed into my local accounts. But if you are in your Microsoft account, then you can simply click on this blue option beside that Microsoft account. And after that, you can simply follow the prompts to change into the local account. And here, once you have signed in with your local account, then you simply have to go back to your account section and there you simply have to click on your accounts. And now here in this section, you'll see all the Microsoft account that are currently signed in to your Windows. So here you simply have to click on the drop down arrow beside that particular Microsoft account that you want to remove. And now here from the drop down menu, you simply have to click on remove and confirm your action by clicking on remove again. And that's it. That's how you can remove Microsoft account from Windows 11. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.